Heading down to pick up the hair and makeup artist. These nails. Good morning. It is the Blue Rose premiere day. I just woke up. I'm currently in London at the moment, staying at the Radisson Edwardian Hotel. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I'm staying right in the center of Covent Gardens. Currently 10 a.m. Makeup is gonna be here at noon, so I'm gonna order some room service breakfast, do my skincare routine, and get ready for the world premiere of the Blue Rose. I've already gotten some crusties out of my eyes, I brushed my teeth, and now I'm going to use my handy dandy Hey Dewy and steam my face. Room service is so yummy. Hi, good morning. I'd like to order some room service, please. The healthy breakfast, yes, and black coffee, please. And for the yogurt, could I do Greek instead of regular yogurt, please? Yes, please. $6.25. Thank you so much. Okay, let's continue. While we're waiting, let's go ahead and fix these nails. Time to eat, and then I've got about 30 minutes before hair and makeup shows up. This is so cool. Yay! Love. Cheers. Excellent. Boom. Skincare is done. My skin is moisturized. I'm ready for makeup. Just gonna like fill in my eyebrows slightly. Some little vein. Hi, good morning. Could I have someone pick up my tray, please? Heading down to pick up the hair and makeup artist. Nika. Time for interviews.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, we just finished our media wall, and it was we're so excited because the film premieres in like 3 hours.
3 hours. I'm nervous.
Comment down below your predictions.
Comment your predictions. We're gonna go eat food.
Here's the final look. I think it looks incredible, and wow, on this camera looks even better. Now it's time to go to the premiere. My first London premiere. Maybe you can see the full. You can't see shit. Images will be there, so I'm sure the full look will be on Getty Images, and I will put that here. Time to go to the premiere.
Right, so the Blu-ray, as soon as I watched it, I absolutely fell in love with it.
Yay! We just came back from the premiere. We got our very own cast jackets. They're super dope. And we're about to go to drag karaoke tonight at this really cool bar in London, about a 5-minute walk from this hotel. So yay! Oh my god, I love the film so much, and I can't wait for you all to see it because it's just so beautiful and weird and something I'm really proud of. Yeah.
Take it